Hello, hello, hello! I'm Hamid Reza, and today we're gonna practice dates in English. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! How do we say this number? How do we say this? A. 1. B. First. C. 1th. D. Firstly. Don't say 1 when we talk about dates. Say first. Simple, innit? So in this question we asked, how do we say this? The correct answer is B. First. That was easy. How do we write fourth? Write this word. Fourth. Don't forget the U. Fourth is spelled with a U. So in this question we asked, write this word. Fourth. The correct answer is F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Okay. Let's get some cookie. Which number is that? Which number is that? 15th. A. B. C. D. Remember, 15th, not 50th. Don't mix them up. So in this question we asked, which number is that? 15th. The correct answer is B. Wait, what? '21st, 22nd. What comes next? What comes next? 21st, 22nd. Remember, the ending changes. So after 22nd comes 23rd. So in this question we asked, what comes next? 21st, 22nd. The correct answer is 23rd. Can we have a break? No? Okay. How do we say this year in English? How do we say this year in English? A. 1905. B. 1905. C. 1905. D. 1905. Remember, for years, don't read every number. So in this question we asked, how do we say this year? The correct answer is A. 1905. Okay. How do people say this date in the UK? How do people say this date in the UK? A. December 25th, 2023. B. 25th of December, 2023. C. December the 25th, 2023. D. The 25th December, 23. Be careful. In the UK, they say the day first, not the month. So in this question we asked, how do people say this date in the UK? The correct answer is B. 25th of December, 2023. British style, mate. Which date is written the American way? Pick the American date format. A. B. C. D. Remember, in the US, they write the month first, then comes the day. So in this question we asked, which date is written the American way? The correct answer is B. Wait, what? Month first? Really? America. What's different in a leap year? What happens in a leap year? A. February has 30 days. B. The year has 366 days. C. There are 2 Februaries. D. The calendar starts from March. Be careful. A leap year has 1 extra day. 366 days total. So in this question we asked, what happens in a leap year? The correct answer is B. The year has 366 days. Okay. A decade? How many years is that? What's a decade? A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 12 years. D. 100 years. Don't guess. A decade is 10 full years. Like from 2010 to 2019. So in this question we asked, what's a decade? The correct answer is B. 10 years. Yeah, I know. Can you write the date correctly? Write the date. It's the of April. Remember, don't just write the number. You need the ordinal word. So in this question we asked, write the date. It's the of April. The correct answer is 14th. 14th? And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.